Hi everyone, I'm Sahana and I am an AI intern at Facts Lab. Today I want to show you a really cool tool called Klein AI. So if you like coding or you want to learn how to make software faster, this video is for you. I'm going to explain what Klein is, how it works, and why it's so helpful. I have broken this video down into simple parts so that anyone can understand it. We will talk about its features, how companies use it, a real life example of how to use it on your computer. So, what is Klein AI? Think of it as a very smart helper that sits inside your computer or your code editor. It's not just a chat box where you ask questions, but it can actually do things for you. It can read your files, write new code, and even run commands in your terminal to see if your code works. The best part is that it does not do anything without asking you first. Every time it wants to change something or the other, a button pops up asking for your permission. This means you are always in charge, and the AI is just there to help you do the boring or hard parts faster. So, one big problem with AI is that sometimes it forgets what you are working on or does not have enough information. Client has a very easy way to fix this. You can just use simple shortcuts to tell it exactly what to look at. For example, if you want to look at a specific file, you just type at file. If you wanted to read a whole folder, you just type at folder. You can even give it a website link using at URL and it will go there to read the instructions for you. This helps the AI understand your project perfectly so it does not make any mistakes. Klein is really great because it lets you choose which brain or AI model you want to work with. You can use the famous ones like Claude or ChatGPT or even free ones that run on your own computer. This is really helpful because some models are better at planning while others are better at writing code. Also, Klein shows you exactly how much money you are spending on these AI models in real time. It has this little bar that shows you the cost, so you never get a big surprise bill at the end of the month. You can switch between models whenever you want to save money or get better results. Have you ever made a mistake while coding and wished you could just go back in time? Klein has a feature called as checkpoints that does exactly that. Every time the AI does something, it saves a copy of your work. If you don't like what it did, you just click a button and everything goes back to how it was before. Another cool thing is computer use. This means the AI can actually open a web browser on your screen to test the website it just built. It checks for errors just like a human would, which saves you a lot of time. Client works in two main steps: planning and acting. Plan mode, the AI just talks to you. It looks at your project and says, here is how I think we should build this. It does not change any code yet. This gives you time to think and say yes or no to its idea. Once you both agree on the plan, you switch to act mode. This is when the AI actually starts writing the code and creating files. This two-step process makes sure that the AI does not start doing things randomly and helps keep everything organized. Even big companies use Klein AI. For them, security is really important. Klein has special settings that make sure only the right people can use it and that the company's data stays safe. Companies use it to fix old code that is hard to understand or to write documents that explain how their software works. It's also great for teams because it helps everyone work the same way. Instead of one person spending all day fixing a bug, they can use Klein to find the problem in minutes. It's a huge time saver for professional developers. Like any tool, Klein has good and bad points. The good part is that it's free to install. It's really powerful and it gives you total control. It's like having a smart partner who does what you say. The bad part is that if you use the very expensive AI models a lot, it can cost you some money. Also, sometimes the AI can get confused if the project is way too big or complicated. And because it asks for your permission for everything, it can sometimes feel a bit slow if you are in a big hurry. Moving on to the pricing model, Klein itself is free to download as an extension. To make it work, you just need to connect it to an AI provider. You can use a pay as you go system where you only pay a few cents for the work the AI does. There is also a monthly plan called as Klein Pass if you want to use it a lot for a flat fee. For big companies, there are special versions with extra security. The best part is that you can always see the price on your screen, so you stay in control of your budget. In the future, Klein is going to get even better. More people are building extra tools for it that you can download, like an app store for your AI helper. It will become smarter at testing code and might even be able to handle whole project on its own while you just watch. We are moving toward a time where coding will be more about having good ideas and less about typing every single line of code perfect.
So now, as you can see, I have installed Klein AI Code Assistant from VS Code Marketplace. And here I'm going to give it a prompt: create a Python script that calculates the factorial of a number with error handling. So this is the prompt that I'm going to give. So what it would do is it would plan, it would review the logic, it would act, it would approve the factorial, and then it would test it. That is, it would run it in its terminal. So as you can see, it is evaluating. And it has given me the code.
So that's all about Klein AI. I hope you like this video. Thank you.